really sad news. Bobby Keys, the man who made the sound, the sax sound for the Rolling Stones' legendary song Brown Sugar, died at 70 years old. Just 70. 70 years old. And the most shocking thing about this news is that he it just happened so suddenly that he passed on. The Rolling Stones are devastated by the loss of their very, very dear friend. He made a unique musical contribution, as you can see there, and he will be missed. Really sad news. And as you go down here, you read that Michael Webb, the keyboardist in Keys' band, the Suffering Bastards, announced Keys' death. He was suffering from sclerosis of the liver. And, wow, really sad. He missed the Stones' October and November tour dates in Australia and New Zealand. He was replaced by veteran saxophonist Carl Denson. He began his career with Buddy Holly when he was only 16 years old. Wow, this is really sad. He passed away in Franklin, Tennessee, where my auntie Lovey lives. He was surrounded by his family and loved ones. He made a lasting contribution to the American music scene and will be dearly missed. Bobby Keys, a true legend, passed away at 70.